Yo, this is my trade recap of yesterday. We took a loss in this one. Although I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not entirely fussed that we did lose it because the setup was valid. So yeah, let's get into it. So first off, I did go a bit against my bias. To be fair, yeah, the 4 hour was in a downtrend. However, what was it? Yeah, we was in a downtrend. To be fair, maybe I shouldn't have took it. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, we were in a downtrend. But as I've said before, I'm not entirely opposed to taking a long. If my bias is short, it's just something to take into consideration, which I didn't do enough of clearly here. Yeah. So first off, what would we do? Marked out previous session lows, which is here, previous session highs, and price did actually react off this high, which we'll see in the lower time frame in a minute. Same thing on GU. We actually had a little bit of SMT here as well. This low and this low. This one clearly didn't sweep out these lows here, which were made at the same time. So yeah, SMT. So I'm not exactly why I'm not terribly upset that I took this trade. Even though it was against the trend, the high time frame trend, I did have enough confluences to tell me that price was going upwards, and it was, and it didn't go up enough for me to hit my first take profit. But yeah, we move. So yeah, from here went down to the 5 minute, and of course my bias was short. I didn't go any lower than the 5 minute. I just wanted to take it on the 5 minute because it's a bit higher time frames, hold more power. So yeah, I wanted to take it on the 5 minute just because it was a bit safer than the 1 minute. So yeah, broke structure here. What I would have wanted was to get an entry off of the retrace. Let me move that quick. So yeah, off this retrace here, into this order block. So this would have been the better trade to take. And you know what? If I targeted a 1-to-1, we would have won. We would have won the trade. Just wouldn't have hit take profit 2. So yeah, but because I didn't enter there, I entered there. I entered there once we got a reaction out of it, just at a market price, and obviously when you enter market, it sends you up a little bit. So yeah, I didn't get the best entry, but it's still a good 1 to 2.24 to my full take profit. But yeah, as you see, it didn't go well. Today, I might as well do today's because I didn't trade today because we had unemployment claims. So we'll do a little bit of analysis on what we could have taken if we did trade. Yeah, clearly, big movement there. There's not really much that looks like I would be able to catch here. Especially since it would have gone against my bias to trade longs. But yeah, we'll have a look. So let's mark out the previous session. Mark out the highs and lows. But yeah, I can already see there's not really much we could have done today anyways because of the news. There was just a lot of volatility here. Well, we might have been able to catch. Let's see what the GU saying, because maybe there is something we could catch. Oh, I don't think so. But let's just take a look at how price moving. Oh, fuck off. That is not what I wanted. So yeah, there's no sweep here. No sweep of liquidity. Yeah, there's not really much we can do today. Maybe if you counted this as a sweep of liquidity, could have took it straight off of that. break a structure sweep of liquidity, but there's no chance that I would have taken that. I think I would be stupid to take that trade. Where's the previous? So if we targeted this, yeah, would have been obviously would have been a banger, but there's no way we'd have taken that. There's not enough confluence for me there to take that trade. It's going against the bias. There's no previous session sweep. It was just a 15-minute sweep. So yeah, so nothing we could have done there. Took a loss yesterday, but we move. Yeah, that's it for today. Catch you in a bit.